Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a fancy delightful dessert, the fresh fruit cream cake. Though it's a perfect dessert for summers, but I love it in winters too because of the variety of fruits that are available. So let's make our fresh fruit cream cake.
Here are some of the seasonal fruits. Chop them into small bite-sized pieces. We have a vanilla sponge cake. Slice it in 2 layers. Place the top layer upside down. Moist the layer with some sugar syrup. Spread the whipped cream evenly with the help of your palette knife. Spread half of your chopped fresh fruits all over it. Place another layer and repeat the process. Finally, put the bottom layer upside down and put some sugar syrup. Dress up your cake with whipped cream and give it a smooth, fine finish. The amount of cream to use depends entirely on you. I love my fresh fruit cake to be loaded with cream. I am using a star nozzle tip at the base of the cake. Using the same nozzle, I am making the rosettes on the top edges. You can use any tip of your choice. Slice the fruits and decorate your cake. It looks simply gorgeous.